Hello everybody, Aditi here from PTE Universe. Today we have Fabia from Australia. Fabia joined our online crash course and she has got wonderful scores. Her requirement was 55 overall for TR. She has taken one attempt before joining us and this is the final attempt she took. She got her desired band scores in just 2 weeks. She got 56 overall, requirement was 55, speaking 76, writing 45, reading 50 and listening 55. Many congratulations, Fabia.
Thank you so much.
Fabia, please tell students about your PT journey, how you got your dream scores. Was it challenging?
Mhm.
And what were the problems you faced during your preparation?
During my preparation, my most like the greatest problem is like that I am really slow typer, and also I practice a lot to increase my writing speeds, but somehow I couldn't, but I try hard and soul. And also the writing template, which is really helpful if people can utilize, people can put information, that is also good. And also the template is overall is really good, it's really helpful for me. But my speaking is really so I'm not using much templates on my speaking module. As well as I joined multiple like the master classes, which is taken by Aditi ma'am. She is also providing some tricks to complete the reading modules, so which is really helpful for me because I my main focus was how to improve my writing, so I couldn't get that chance to improve on my reading. But I still just listen what Aditi ma'am give the tips, so I just follow her, and yeah, I got the score.
Pepper, talking about your scores, you have improved drastically in every single section. It's an inspiring story because in just 10 days, like hardly 10 days, and you have got the scores. Many people think it's impossible to improve the scores in less time. So, how did you improve a lot in such less time?
So when on my first attempt, I didn't knew much about the PT. I just my few friends has just sit for the exam, so I just thinking to just sit. I didn't practice anything. But after I get that score, I try to watch multiple YouTube videos and I join with you guys. So I find out that first, it is not something that you know about lots of things, but you have to be a bit strategic. So it will be really helpful for you in a long run. Yeah. So yeah, that's the thing.
So, guys, like Fabia mentioned, it's not about knowing a lot, but it's also about knowing the right strategy. Instead of focusing on a lot of things, Fabia knew, okay, this is how the speaking is done, this is how the reading is done, this is how the writing is done, and boom, she got the score in less time. Fabia, talking about speaking section, your scores have improved a lot. Before joining, you got 68, and after joining, it's the straight away 76. So, how did the classes help you improve the speaking section in less time?
My speaking is like my speaking, I believe that is good, but whenever I practice at home, I just speaking in a quiet zone, and like my whenever I practice, my speaking score get come up really good. But in the real exam, so many noises outside. So one time maybe Aditi ma'am give that like she taught us to like maybe something on with your phone behind you, and then you can practice, so you can really understood how can you cope up with the real exam hall. So I tried that multiple times, and after that my brain are like working well, that I can speak in like if the environment is not much quiet, I can still speak. So that strategy is really helpful for me.
Great. Fabio, talking about writing section, a lot of people think my English is not good. I will not pass the writing section. You have improved from 35 to 45. That's a good score. So, how did the writing section improve in less time with our classes?
As I mentioned before, like the templates is really helpful, and also you guys are providing a PDF for the writing modules ideas. I roughly read all the ideas. So whenever any topic come up, I don't need to spend lots of time to remember what should I write down. I know the template and I know the ideas, like the key points what I will write down. So like that.
So, guys, like Fabia mentioned, templates made her life easy. Her writing section scores boosted, along with the lot of repetition is there from our prediction files. Fabia, talking about reading module, I remember when you joined, you were a bit concerned. Like, is it possible to improve reading in 2 weeks? You have improved from 38 to 50, which is a very big achievement. So, how the classes helped you with the reading section?
Reading section, like I didn't get the much chance to do my reading section, but I still try to listen what Aditi ma'am, what strategy she tried to teach us, and also like I just focus with the key points. And honestly speaking, if I go with the grammatical way, it's really hurtful for me because each and every time I forget the grammatical rule. And I try to do everything with collocation. Like I read the first line and end line, and if the filling the blanks in the middle, so I try to guess what I will put over there. So like that, I just did my exam.
Great. So, guys, like Fabia mentioned, she joined a lot of master classes. I remember she was very, very, very punctual with the classes. She didn't miss even a single class. Like, even after 2 weeks, she kept on joining the master classes. And the skimming and scanning and the fast reading techniques really helped her well. There with a lot of people who feel PT has changed, it has become really hard to get the scores in less time. You have improved in less time. So, how would you motivate the people who are struggling, who feel PT is really hard?
I just want to tell them just practice, because without practice no one can improve. And also in being strategic, because reading is the subject, you can't improve without any practice. And also strategy is really important. So that's two thing. And for the writing is like, if the writing is pretty slow like me, then they need to typing quicker. And also like the prediction file is also really helpful, as well as the templates. And also you guys have a separate PDF for the writing ideas. That one is really helpful, because I remember whenever I practice on my computer at home, that time if any other topic come up, but I remember another topic key points, and two topic kind of similar, so I can use another topic key points, like the for the climate change I can use, like for the traffic jam and other stuff. So it's just example, so I can use like this. So that's the thing.
Fabi, I remember like during the training, you were very, very punctual with the mock test, very consistent with your preparation. So you took a lot of evaluations. So how did mock test evaluation help you improve in less time? Was it helpful?
um Honestly speaking, I just set for like two mock tests before my exam, because I didn't get the chance to do all the mock tests. But I did the like the specific modules, like the writing mock test and just the reading mock test. So I got the feedback from my like the from Aditi ma'am. She said that sometime I repeat so much because of my nervousness on my speaking section. I remember one word I remember four time. So therefore, and she said I can't repeat like this. And also on my writing section, I was a bit concerned about like the, if the topic is like the environmental topic, I can mention the environment more than four time or not. Those sort of things she clarified to me. So it is helpful.
Okay. Fabia, I remember you enrolled when you were enrolling, you were a bit nervous. Like, can I improve in less time? You enrolled for a special crash course. So, was the crash course helpful in getting the scores?
Yeah, it is really helpful because on the crash course, like everyone, you guys are doing the practice and everyone giving their answer. So that is like the on short time period I inspire like this, that the people join with me. If they can do it, I can do as well, something like that. And also I whenever any people send their like the writing things or speaking things, I go to the link and also check their things, how can they speak, like they get everything on 90 out of 90, how can they speak, so I can improve my thing. So in that way, yeah, it is helpful.
Great. So, Fabia, what was your first expression when you see the scores on the portal? Like, how you felt after passing?
Honestly speaking, when I saw that score, I was a bit upset because I thought that 50 I need 58 to get past. So after that, I texted, might be like the Aditi ma'am on the yeah, on the number. So after that, I searched on the Google and then talked with my agency. They said that 55 is okay. You can still apply for the graduate visa like that. So after that, I felt good. Yeah, I'm passed, because it's really stressful when you stay in abroad and do your study, work, everything. And in this meantime, you need to do your PT exam preparation. So it is really actually stressful. So I pass and I feel like that 100 kilo pound is relieved from my head. So yeah, it is really good feeling.
That's great, guys. Like she mentioned, 100 pounds is released. Like she's stress free now. So, how the life has changed for Fabia after passing PT? Like, how, what are the future plans? Like, how the life has become easy?
So after pass the PT, I used to, like when I take the PT exam preparation, I used to do like I come from my class and immediately I sit down on my in front of my laptop. I did my writing, reading, speaking, everything. So after pass my exam, I'm not much stressful, and I can watch lots of series now. I can do my study. So it is really chill life now, not much stressful.
That's great. So my final question would be, Fabit, a lot of people who are seeing you, you're an inspiration. A lot of people give up on PD. They think it's hard. You passed in less time. It's not about just passing, but it's also with very less time, having a lot of pressure when you have to apply for certain visa and the time is running
Mhm.
out. So how would you like to motivate the people who are preparing? What would you recommend them so they can also pass like you?
I would like to tell them that just be constant, because practice is the main thing, and also like listen the guideline, and of course join the PT Universe, because they providing the right strategy. Because a bunch of people, they are just watching YouTube video and try to do like this, but I believe that YouTube video is not just enough to get a pass pass mark, or dramatical change on your score. So you have to be maintain a guideline, and you need to practice a lot. And also, of course, some people say that you can't use the templates, but I believe that templates enhance your writing and speaking things. So you can use the templates. Actually, on my speaking section, I also use templates, like not the appropriate template, but I use the keywords from the template. So yeah, like that, my speaking and other things are get improved.
Great. Guys, like Fabia mentioned, she prepared, but she didn't prepare without any plan. She joined us, she took the right plan. She understood, okay, this much time I have, this is what I need to study, and she just jumped on. She started her preparation. Of course, it was not easy. Her journey was a bit harder because she has to do everything with her job, but she did it well because she now had the exact plan what she needs to do. So it was wonderful interviewing you today, Fabia. Many congratulations on getting your dream scores in PD. Requirement was 55, but you managed to get 56. And on top of it, the module wise scores improved drastically as compared to your previous scores. So,
Yeah.
congratulations.
Thank you so much, and thank you for your help and PT Universe help, because without guideline, get a good mark is really hard. And also, you guys providing the template, which is really helpful and fantastic. And computer can't detect those sort of templates if people are generally use that, like they if they're speaking a structure wise, writing a structure wise, so they get good mark actually. So it was really helpful for me, and in future I will use those things for my superior score. And of course I will be with you guys for my superior score as well.
That's great. That's great. All the very best, Fabio, for your future endeavors.
Thank you so much, thank you for your time.